Are you okay?
Yes. Fine. The food is very good tonight.
How is the tooth, Rick?
What tooth? I am fine.
You have been holding your jaw for 3 days.
I just moved too fast. That is all. Why are you both looking at me like that?
Call the dentist.
I do not need a dentist. I am using salt water. It is getting better.
It is getting worse. Book your appointment. Why don't you visit the dentist, Dad?
I will, when I am ready.
He is scared. Scared? Big, strong dad scared of the dentist? He has always been like this.
Excuse me! I am not scared. I am just doing my research first.
Dad, I booked an appointment for you.
You did what?
The dentist. Tomorrow, 5 o'clock.
Tomorrow? 5 o'clock? Zara, I cannot go tomorrow. I am very busy tomorrow.
It is Saturday, Dad.
I know. I am busy on Saturdays.
Dad, the salt water is not working.
It is working. It is much better today.
Good. Then the doctor will just have a quick look. If everything is fine, we come home in 20 minutes.
But
Dad, it is 4:30. We need to leave.
1 minute.
You said that 20 minutes ago.
I was just checking something. You know, my tooth actually feels much better today.
Dad,
I am serious. Right now, almost nothing.
let's go.
Maybe we should cancel and see if it gets better.
Dad, we are getting late. You will be fine, Rick.
I am fine. I just think this is unnecessary.
Yes, I know you are not scared.
Scared? Who? Why? Doctor will just have a quick look.
Hopefully. Let's go.
Salt water was working. How many people are ahead of us?
1.
Just one. Good. Quick. In and out. 20 minutes, right?
Yes, Dad. If everything is fine.
What was that?
It is fine, Dad.
That did not sound fine.
People make sounds during dental treatment. It is normal.
We should at least try salt water for one more day.
Dad,
I am just saying.
sit down, Dad.
I just want to. Okay.
You are not leaving.
Don't worry. You can't feel a thing. Zara.
No, Dad.
Salt water.
No, Dad. We are staying. Mr. Rick, the doctor will see you now. Come on, Dad.
Did you see his face?
He said he couldn't feel a thing.
His face was enormous, Zara.
Come on, Dad.
Rick! Good to see you. Please, sit down. Please take a seat. You can lie back, Rick. It is more comfortable. I am very comfortable. Thank you.
Dad,
Okay, let's have a look. Open wide for me. Just a moment. A little wider, please. Just a little more. Just a moment. Almost done. Rick, that tooth has a deep infection. Okay, so salt water? A little more time? No, we need to do a root canal today. Root canal? Today? Yes. You said 20 minutes.
I said 20 minutes if everything was fine.
Everything is fine. Rick, the good news is... There is good news? The good news is we can do it right now. It will take about 45 minutes and you will feel much better afterward. 45 minutes. Maybe an hour. An hour. First, I will give you a small injection to numb the area. You will not feel anything after that. Injection.
Dad, are you okay?
I do not need an injection. I am fine. It is very small. You will barely feel it.
Dad,
Okay. That is not small.
Dad,
Okay. Actually, I think I left the car. Rick, I promise you. Okay.
Dad.
I am so sorry. I will pick those up. Please don't touch them. I will sort it. Rick, look at me. I have done this procedure 3 times already today. Everyone walked out feeling much better. You will too. I promise you. 3 times today? 3 times. Sit back, close your eyes. It is just a small scratch. That is all.
Dad, you got stung by 3 bees last summer, and you went back to gardening. This is one small injection.
Okay. Small scratch. Fine. Does he do this every time?
He has never been before.
That is it. You will not feel anything now. All done, Rick. That went very well. Yes. Good. Fine. No problem. Take these. No hot food or drinks today. Of course. Thank you, Doctor. You did well, Rick. Genuinely.
How did it go?
Fine. No problem. Very straightforward.
Really?
Really, I do not know why people make such a big deal about these things. It is just a chair and a light.
And the injection?
Fine. Small. Nothing.
Dad was not even scared of injection.
Exactly. I was very relaxed the whole time.
I am sure you were, Rick.
Don't know why people are so scared of the dentist. It is very simple. You just go in, sit down, and it is done.
Just like that. Oh, Dad, Dr. Harris sent a reminder.
What reminder?
Your follow-up appointment. Next Thursday, 5 o'clock.
Next Thursday? But I am busy on Thursdays. The tooth is fine now. I do not need a follow-up. Salt water.
Dad, doctor will just have a quick look.
I am serious.
Of course you are, Rick.
Good night.
Dad has a follow-up appointment next Thursday. If you want to see if he actually goes, subscribe for the next episode.
I can hear you.